I love this brushless stuff. Cool. What's up, everybody? I have here a Christmas present. This is something I asked my wife for. This is a new oscillating tool, or an oscillating tool from Milwaukee. It fits their 18-volt tool set. And what's funny is I asked for this knowing that I couldn't even use it yet. I am looking to move all of my power tools over to the Milwaukee fuel, which this is not a fuel. They don't offer this in a fuel, but I had asked for this knowing that I couldn't use it yet. And I fully intend on purchasing a Milwaukee fuel kit with batteries and drills, impact, all that good stuff. But most of them don't come with this, so this is what I asked my wife for Christmas. And I think she felt a little bad because I told her I couldn't use it yet, but that I knew that. But she was still giving me a little bit of crap that I got a tool that I can't even use. So we were in town and I stopped by Home Depot to look at their kits, and nothing really was striking my eye. I'm really hoping to catch one of their promotions where they have free tools or something with one of their kits. But as we were looking at a display, I came across this impact that is normally $299, and they had it clearanced out for $150. Now, and this has a battery and a charger in it. A battery and charger starter kit on sale you can find for usually right around $100, $99, $99, whatever, $100. So with that thought in mind, I thought, well, shoot, if I'm going to pay $100 for a battery and charger anyways, that's like getting this impact for $50. So I went ahead and snatched it up. Now, this is not their big monster impact. That's 1,400 foot-pounds. That's just something stupid over the top. But that's okay. We're not farming anymore. I don't need a huge impact, and that thing's probably way stronger than any of my air impacts anyways. This is just their standard 450 foot-pound, but it is a fuel impact, and I thought, well, that's probably more than enough to do anything I'm going to need. So I haven't even opened this yet. But I could not believe I was able to get this for $150. In a bag, I guess. That's a nice size too. I may end up buying that big $1,400 foot-pound impact one of these days. But if you've seen it, I mean, it's huge. It's a monster. It's quite a bit to lug around. And I kind of thought I was going to end up buying, one of their mid-torque impacts or even a 3/8 impact anyways for regular use. But now that I have this, I mean, I'm just ecstatic. This may end up fitting the bill. If I end up coming across, like I said, something that I can't do on a regular basis, then yeah, maybe I'll go buy the other one. But otherwise, for $150, if you guys can run out and find these clearanced out at any of your Home Depots, I think this is a deal of the day. Especially comes with a 5 amp hour battery and the charger. So anyways, there's my quick little video. I just want to say once again, thank you to my wife for my Christmas present. This is one of the things I asked for and I wanted. Thank you very much. Sorry I did not tell you ahead of time that I couldn't use it yet, but I knew it wouldn't take very long for me to buy something, and getting a tool without a battery is a little bit of an incentive to go out and buy something, so it gave me a reason to buy more tools. So thank you very much. But between that and this, I'm really happy. This gives me gives me a pretty good start on my Milwaukee 18-volt set. Get this charged up and play with it. I got some stuff to do on the wall in the shop here that I need my oscillating tool for anyway. So have a great day. Hit the thumbs up, like button, subscribe. If you want to be notified of any more videos as I post them, hit that little bell notification icon that shows up right when you subscribe. And do me a favor, leave me a comment and let me know what kind of power tools you use. Are you using Milwaukee? Do you use Ryobi? Do you use DeWalt? I mean, I know they're popular, obviously. Do you use Rigid? What voltages? What brands do you use? And what do you like about them? What do you not like about them? And just, oh wow, you know what? This charges the 12-volt stuff too, which I do have. Now, this is stuff for work, but I don't need to be lugging around big, heavy stuff at work. I travel a lot, so my 12-volt stuff I have for work, but I can charge my 12-volt stuff on this battery charger too. But anyways, let me know what you like. Let me know what you guys use, and have a great day. Alright, I'm going to take my Mac pneumatic impact and torque down on this guy as far as it'll take it. And then I'm going to see if it takes it off easily, and then I'm going to compare it to the new Milwaukee cordless, just out of curiosity. It's not a scientific test, but I'm just curious if how the Milwaukee does compared to that. I'm pretty sure when I drove it all the way down, I end up mangling the threads a bit. So let's see what the Milwaukee does, I guess. Try to put it on first. It's doing the same thing. It's just spinning it very, very, very little. Oh yeah. Bet that's warm. Those threads are just gone. So I think either one is either one of them is going to have to work really hard to get that off. But so is it more powerful than my Mac pneumatic? Probably not. Is it less powerful? I don't know. I would not. Oh, you know what? I'll be a son of a gun. There's 3 settings on this. Let's crank this back up and see what it does. I only had it on number 1. it's still warm. Number 2. Oh yeah. Number 3. If we had smell-o-vision, you could smell that bolt just burning. It is so hot. So now I may change my verdict a little bit. Is it more powerful than my Mac? Maybe. Yeah, well, now in that third setting, I think it's actually pretty impressive for being just a mid-torque impact. I guess when it comes time to really put them to use on a tractor or car or something, I'll put them side by side and really see how they do. But overall, I'm impressed, and it's a hell of a deal, and it's a steal for 150 bucks. So get out there, go look, see if there's any of these clearanced out at any of your Home Depots, and I think you'll be happy with it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you have one of these or if you have the big one. I'm really curious to hear what you guys think of the big one. And later on for now, thanks.